Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to change the output format for OBS Studio so that your output recordings, for example, change from MKV to MP4, for example. Now the only thing that you need to do is open up OBS Studio, head down to the top left of your screen to the file. Now inside of here, go down to the settings, and inside these settings we have a lot of options to choose from. We're going to the output settings, and here you see the recording settings, as you can see right here. Now here we see the recording format in the middle of our screen, and it's set to MKV. Now I can't change it as of now because I'm recording this video, but all you have to do is simply press this little hover menu and change the selected format as you like. Now as you can see, mine's still an MKV, and here I can change it. If you still get any other questions, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.